So if you're wondering how to grow your online social media presence and you're now starting to look at creating a plan and looking at your overarching strategy, then it's really important now more than ever to have a strategy in place. At Thrive and Shine, we have the 7-step framework that's going to help you build attention and authority online. I help my clients to go through all the steps and tools, especially framing out the copy of their content and helping them to become an influential or a person of persuasion on social media. Without automations, you don't have the tools that are going to allow you to do everything without you having to be present. So hence why it's important to have your systems and processes in place. I hope that that helps. If you guys want to work on that system at all, or if you have any questions, make sure that you reach out, send me a message via Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, or you can also book your first 15-minute strategy session, and in that discovery call we will identify the areas that you need to work on most.